Looking for a desktop processor that delivers smooth 1080p gaming without needing a separate graphics card? The AMD Ryzen 5 5600G offers powerful integrated graphics performance that lets you enjoy everyday gaming and multimedia without extra hardware. It's an ideal choice if you want solid visuals and reliable speed in one package. This processor packs 6 cores and 12 threads, paired with the AMD Wraith Stealth cooler to keep things running cool and quiet. With a max boost clock of 4.2 GHz and unlocked overclocking potential, it handles multitasking and demanding applications with ease. Plus, its 11 MB cache and DDR4-3200 support ensure fast data access and smooth responsiveness. One satisfied user shared how this CPU powered their desktop workstation with 64 GB of PC3200 RAM and a Western Digital Black M.2 750 SSD. They noted its low power consumption and high MHz output as perfect for a powerful yet economical build. While they didn't rely on the integrated graphics for serious gaming, the built-in video still delivered solid performance for everyday use. Another user upgraded from a Ryzen 3 3100 and praised the 5600G for desktop tasks and video streaming. Though not focused on gaming, they appreciated AMD's graphics quality and the smooth experience this CPU provides. It's a reliable choice for anyone who values efficiency and solid multimedia performance without breaking the bank. If you're building or upgrading a PC on the advanced socket AM4 platform, the Ryzen 5 5600G fits right in. It combines powerful processing and capable graphics, reducing the need for a dedicated GPU unless you're chasing high-end gaming. This balance makes it a smart pick for users wanting versatility and solid performance in one chip. Worth a look if you want to streamline your setup without sacrificing speed or visual quality. Whether it's for work, casual gaming, or streaming, this CPU handles it all smoothly. Its efficient design means you get more power per watt, which matters if you're conscious of energy use or noise levels. Ready to experience a processor that blends performance and graphics in a single package? The AMD Ryzen 5 5600G offers what you need for everyday computing and light gaming. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your desktop with a balanced, cost-effective solution that doesn't compromise on speed or visuals.